Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking deep dive into Linux distro that have getting a lot of attention lately, Fluff Linux. If you are searching for a lightweight, clean and performance focused operating system that works on both and modern hardware, that stick around. I'll go to review and help understand exactly what Fluff Linux offer and whether it's right choice for you. Let's start with basics. Fluff Linux designed with the main goal in mind, delivering as fast minimal Linux experience without usual bloat and that many distro come with. From the moment you boot into it, you feels the difference. The system loads quickly, desktop is extremely responsive and everything feels optimized for speed. As soon as it is the desktop and the UI stands for simplicity, Fluff Linux does not try to overblame you with flashy animation and unnecessary apps. Instead, it keeps things clean and distraction free, giving you a smooth workspace that perfect for your browsing, coding, or just doing daily tasks. The design modern, the icon look sharp, and the overall look fresh without being heavy. One of the most impressive thing about Fluff Linux is the resources used. This distro is seriously lightweight, even machine on low RAM on the system stable and quick application almost instantly, and multitasking remaining surprisingly smooth. If you are got an older laptop or PC around, Fluff Linux can genuinely bring back life, and if you are using a modern hardware, that experience light fast and everything feels snappy instant. Now let's talk about the pre-installed app. Fluff Linux takes a minimalist approach hardware here, where you can get the essential tools that you truly need: a browser, file manager, basic utilities and lightweight media player. There is no simple give, there is the user control. You can install whatever you need without having remove a ton of unnecessary software. This keeps system clean and helps maintain the ultra fast performance. In terms of package management, Fluff Linux makes things easy. Software installation is straightforward, updates are quick, and the system remains stable even after running multiple apps. These developers clearly focused on creating user-friendly experience with their both beginners and advanced user. Now, if you someone who loves to customizing OS, here is the good news. Fluff Linux is highly customizable. You can tweak themes, icon pack, panel, and even window to create your unique desktop style. If you enjoy crafting personalization workflow, whether it's minimal, colorful, or productivity focused, Fluff Linux give you plenty freedom without slowing your system down. Let's talk about the performance over time. Some lightweight distro feels fast but begin to lag once you install the application. Fluff Linux does not have that problem. Even after running multiple apps using that browser heavily, opening several windows at a time, the system remains smooth. RAM usage stays impressive. Low CPU activity is stable. This makes Fluff Linux reliable choice for both everyday use and long-term performance. One more thing worth mentioning is stability during testing. I didn't face crashes, glitches, or freezing. The OS feels solid, polished, and well optimized for a lightweight distro. That's being advantage. There is rare get both speed and stability in same package, but Fluff Linux manages to deliver both consistently. Now, who is Fluff Linux actually for? Well, if you want a clean and distraction-free Linux experience, this is for you. If you're using older hardware but still want modern OS, this is for you. If you are a beginner trying to Linux for the first time, even advanced user who want to something fast and customizable, Fluff Linux works great both case. If some of all, Fluff Linux lightweight, fast, beautifully simple Linux distribution that focus on performance and user control. It boots quickly, runs smoothly, looks modern, and give you a freedom to build your own desktop environment without unnecessary clutter. If you are tired of heavily distro, slow down your workflow, or you want to revive your older PC, Fluff Linux is definitely worth trying. It's clean, fast, reliable, and surprisingly fun to use.